Let's go up here.
Shadows traveling. Removed. Rest.
Going to heaven. From vents.
I fucked up. No!
One enemy remaining.
My gun didn't pull out fast enough. Pull out game weak.
Your smoke missed heaven.
I'm not perfect, okay, Travis? One jumped out. She's hell. Blinding.
One
Cover going out.
One through garage.
Unimportant.
Enemy spotted.
One heaven.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
One last one.
Okay, okay.
If you would have framed him, that would have been beautiful.
I'm competing for best Omen NA title. I gotta do it to him. What do I think is the best team comp? It's hard to say. It seems like the most meta one, like the easiest one to run. We lost bomb way back in.
Rotating up to heaven, give me a half second.
It seems like the easiest one to run is gonna be like a Brimstone, Breach, Sage,
One enemy
Phoenix,
remaining.
Several was heaven too.
Cypher. Yeah, something like that, or maybe even drop Phoenix for like Sova. Like those are just like some of like the raw strongest characters, right? Right now, there's a lot of question on whether like Raze is amazing, whether Phoenix is amazing, whether Jet's even good at all, whether Omen's even good at all. I think that those questions are like it's gonna take time. Viper, same thing with her, but I think that those are also characters that are like harder to play, and like once people get used to it, it's gonna be. So LGM's on my team right here, but I'm rooting for my boy Rain. Ah, dude, I wanted Rain to get it. I was cheering for him.
4 kills, 2 rounds.
One enemy
He's got it, right?
remaining.
Evan?
Shadows traveling.
That's gonna spook him. He's like, he teleported heaven. He's like waiting for me, right?
Going out on
Stealing
one
sight.
ramp.
Nice.
Let go.
You will not kill my allies.
Nobody
Going in.
plays. That's funny. Nobody plays versus Omen. Nobody knows how to play against him.
I heard one take, oops.
One enemy remaining.
East clear, I think.
Shadows.
Yeah, last one's A. Ooh, Digi!
Shadows traveling.
You can advance.
I didn't throw that on purpose, just for the record. That wasn't an intentional one way. I accidentally did that.
I do that one way.
Dude, I didn't throw that on purpose.
Yeah.
That was an accident. I can't take credit for that.
Enemy spotted.
Spike planted.
That was so good. You did that. I did it. I did not.
One enemy remaining.
Shadows traveling.
That's my op, sorry.
It is finished.
You did, but I didn't. That was really aggressive what I did there, just for the record. I would not recommend doing that generally.
Cover going out.
Pushed up.
Pitiful.
Poor guy.
They're both low.
Luckily, I think my rotation was quick enough where I might be able to catch him off guard here.
Shadows. No charges.
Fuck, I just knifed. Hope they didn't hear that.
One enemy remaining.
No.
Almost.
I accidentally knifed that wall. I was like, this is so good. And then I knifed the wall. I was like, fuck.
Sure, I can't listen to me.
That's where you get punished peeking that. I didn't use any utility that round. Did I have ulti? I do have ulti now. They're out on B.
Shadows traveling.
Yeah, good news, man. Oh, Phoenix is mid too.
He teleported somewhere.
Killed.
Yeah, I knew he was somewhere around there. Thank you.
Thirty seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Let's go. She can res, careful. I don't think she's going to, but
Stealing sight.
Long.
just like run and gun him.
Lime.
Did you jump in the air and just shot her?
I just kind of sprayed, yeah.
The spike is diffused.
I have I called those my anti-oops. Like, where I just do dumb stuff like that and I get kills because of it.
Enemy spotted. Fire in the hole!
Oh, Grimstone, you can rotate. I got home covered.
Alright.
I bolted.
They're pushing B. I'm gonna play more aggressive here because he keeps teleporting in there.
Joke's over. You're
B.
dead.
That was an okay play. The way I avoided him. Ooh. Travis is popping off too.
One enemy remaining.
Raise spawn, you saw spawn.
Silence.
From CT.
Fuck that.
Holy.
No, no time. No.
Fire in the hole!
B push.
Yeah, looks like it.
Blinding.
Enemy spotted.
They walled across.
Enemy spotted.
Shadows traveling.
Just disappeared.
You will not kill my allies!
One enemy remaining.
Yeah.
Defenders win.